Hello. I just found this new recipe. Got it from a girl on Instagram, Roseland Lashay. So this is protein coffee. We're gonna do 30 grams of Premier protein. I got some cheap coffee from McDonald's. Got some free ice from McDonald's. And then I just bought some collagen peptides from Walmart. Okay. I used to have this before and I didn't really use it, but I spent $24 on it, so I'm going to use it. It says, it's there. Doesn't look like, where the hell is the scoop? And then my manager gave me this Stanley Yeti ripoff. Be back. Okay, I'm back. And I got some monk fruit sweetener, just for a little bit of sweetness, to be able to take this in. I made this once before without the collagen peptide the other day. I guess this doesn't have a damn scoop. What the hell? So it says 4 scoops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's flavorless. Okay. Gonna put some monk fruit sweetener just for a little bit of sweetness, because I'm sweet and I need to be sweet. I'll see how 2 goes for right now. Okay. This ice is watered down. That's all right. Okay. Pour in the ice. Now I'm going to pour in the cafecito, black coffee. And shake this up. And the protein shake. Get all of that out. Waste not, want not. Get all that goodness out. They gave me a little straw. Mix it all up. Let's taste it. I really don't need a little bit more monk fruit sweetener. This is no calories, so. Okay, that's enough. Whether it's sweet or not, that's all I'm gonna have. Then I'm gonna put some more ice. I went to Popeyes, got their Tuesday special. Oops. And I asked them for some ice. Now you're like, why the hell are you going to Popeyes? Because it's protein. I can taste the collagen peptide, but what's 20 plus 30? That's 50 grams of protein in this little shake. And I'm going to drink it all. Alrighty, well, that's all folks.